I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too.
Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to share to you one of the best free trading strategies in Tradingview. But before we start, please remember that past results do not indicate future results. I backtested this strategy on BTC/USDT where it made profits consistently on any time frame. We can even increase its profitability by setting our take profit and stop loss. Before we reveal the name of the strategy, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Also, I make videos based on the comment section. So comment down below what kind of content you'd like to see next. So let's jump right into the strategy reveal. You can find this strategy by clicking the indicator tab and type RSI Bollinger by chart art. Click on it and it will automatically be added to your chart. Trading with this is very easy. You just need to follow its signals. If it says buy, then enter a long position. If sell, then enter a short position. Now, let's automate this strategy by using trading bots. Trading bots can trade for you and make money for you while you are sleeping or on a vacation. All you need is a Tradingview account, 3commas long and short bot, and of course this strategy. First, you need to create a long and short bot at your 3commas account. Second, go to your Tradingview account and add this strategy to your chart. You can easily find this strategy by searching RSI Bollinger by chart art. Third, go back to 3commas and open in new tab the long bot and short bot. Go to this part and copy and paste it here API details section. Didn't see this portion on the indicator? Well, that's because I recoded this strategy to easily connect it to the bot. You can get this recoded strategy by clicking on the link in the description below. Lastly, add an alert to this strategy. Just follow the steps in the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching Future Millionaires.
I wanna say